Hi, my name is Nurzamira. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use Library Genesis. Let's get started. Please click the button below this video. So, how to get into Library Genesis? There is no account needed to use Library Genesis, so we do not have to sign up or log in. Just search Library Genesis in Google, click the first result, and ta-da! We are in the Library Genesis. Next, how to search ebooks. To search ebook, type in the title of the book that you want in the search engine, and click search. There are lots of ebooks that are available. For your information, all of them are free. To download the ebook that you wanted, first, click the title of the ebook that you have chosen. Then, click on any blue link that is available. Click Download PDF, and that's it. You already can read your book. To share the ebook, click the share icon. You can click the Telegram, Google Classroom and Padlet button to share it directly. You also can copy the link and share it with anyone. That is all from me. Thank you for your time. Good luck.